pollution, the price we pay. Good morning, listeners. You have turned into Radio Bharti, and I am Seerat. Today, we are talking about something that's literally in the air pollution. And joining me is my friend Devansh, who is here to share his thoughts. Hi, Devansh.
Hey Seerat, thanks for having me. You picked the perfect topic. These days, even walking outside feels like walking into a cloud of dust.
You are so right, especially in Delhi. You can see the pollution hanging in the air every morning.
Exactly. I checked the AQI yesterday. It was above 400. That's not just bad, that's hazardous. My phone literally told me avoid outdoor activities.
That's crazy. And the sad part is, we have kind of accepted it. We wear masks, use air purifiers, but no one really talks about how it really got this bad.
True, it's a mix of many things vehicle smoke, construction dust, factories, and even garbage burning. And every winter, stubble burning adds that thick layer of smog.
Hmm. Do you think people actually care, or is it just something we complain about when the air turns grey?
I think people do care, but they feel helpless. Like, what can one person do? But honestly, small things matter. Using public transport, avoiding crackers, planting trees, or just being mindful about waste.
That's so true. I have seen people burning plastic just to get rid of it, not realizing how toxic that smoke is.
Exactly. Awareness is everything. If schools and colleges really emphasize pollution control, we'd grow up more responsible.
Sometimes I feel it's ironic. We call it development, but it's the time development that's choking our cities.
Yeah, development shouldn't come at the cost of clean air. Breathing shouldn't be a luxury, right?
Exactly. Before we wrap up, one last question. What's one change you have personally made to fight pollution?
I've started using my bike less and taking the metro instead. Also, I keep a few indoor plants at home. Small step, but it helps.
That's great. I've started carrying cloth bags and avoiding plastic wrapped stuff online. Small efforts, but they do make a difference.
They definitely do. If each of us takes small steps, we can bring real change.
Beautifully said, Devansh. Well, that's all for today's talk, friends. Let's remember the air we save today is the breath we take tomorrow. Stay aware, stay responsible. I am Seerat Tucker signing off from Radio Bharti.
And I am Devansh. Thanks for listening.